Hello there awesome kids! Welcome to my kiddie school. Today, we will be learning about the different kinds of birds. Are you excited? Let's start. The name of this bird is toucan. Toucan's mass ranges between 130 grams to 680 grams, and its length lies between 11.5 inches to 29 inches. Their bodies are short, and size is comparable to crow. Its tail is rounded and varies in length to the whole body. In the types of pet birds, a parrot is one. The scientific name of the parrot is Psittaciformes. They belong to a family of Psittacopaceae. These are mostly found in subtropical and tropical regions. There are about 372 species in existence and 86 general. Their size ranges from 3.5 to 40 inches and a mass of about 2.25 to 56 ounces. Hummingbird is a small bird and a family member of Trochilidae, and its scientific name is also Trochilidae. These are the smallest birds, which range from 7.5 to 13 centimeters. These are well known as hummingbirds because when their wings flap, a humming sound is created. They can fly in all directions. Hornbills are mostly found in subtropical Asia, Africa, and Melanesia. Mass of hornbill is up to 6.2 kilograms, and the length of the body is between 1 foot to 3 feet 11 inches. There are about 55 species. They are omnivores, eat fruit and insects. This kind of bird has clutches that contain about 6 to 8 white eggs. The scientific name of grebe is Podicipedidae. It belongs to a family of Podicipediformes. These birds generally dive in fresh water, and some visit sea during migration and winter. There are about 22 species and 6 in general. Its mass varies from about 1.7 kilograms to 120 grams, and body length varies from 23.5 centimeters to 71 centimeters. Guinea fowl has a dark gray and blackish plumage with dense spots. It measures from 40 to 71 centimeters in length, and mass consists of 700 to 1600 grams. These are found in sub-Saharan Africa. Generally, they feed on insects. But Guinea fowl becomes prey for humans in some places in Africa and Italy. Their eggs are more precious than chicken eggs. The scientific name of goose is Ansurani and a family of Annatidae. The mass of a goose is 3.2 to 6.5 kilograms. Their wingspan is 1 to 1.8 m for Canada goose and 1.6 to 1.8 for swan goose. Clutch sizes of about 5 for Canada goose and 5 to 6 for swan goose. The lifespan is of 10 to 24 years. The goose is quite common and features in the types of birds, although it cannot fly high. Woodpeckers mostly live in New Zealand, Australia, Madagascar, New Guinea, and extreme polar regions. There are about 200 species. Woodpeckers are usually black, red, yellow, and white. They can peck 20 times per second. They feed on insects and dead trees. The nest contains 2 to 5 eggs, and the incubation period is about 11 to 14 days. Penguins can dive in the water at a speed of 6 to 9 kilometers per hour. Its body mass is about 38 kilograms, and the height varies accordingly from species. 33 centimeters for a little penguin, 49 centimeters for Galapagos penguin, and 1.1 to 1.3 m for the emperor penguin. The maximum lifespan of a penguin is 20 years. This is yet another category of types of birds that we don't see often. The scientific name of a swallow is Hirundinidae. The species found in this family are 83. They breed across the world except in Antarctica. They migrate to different places in the world. These are insectivorous. Heron's scientific name is Untitled. This beautiful bird belongs to the classification of pelicaniforms. So far, recognized species are 64 in the world. These are carnivores. They form an umbrella-like canopy to hunt. Their prey includes fishes and crabs, etc. They even take peas, grains, corn, etc. rarely. They lay 3 to 7 eggs. Both parents take incubation. These birds are often referred to as seagulls. Majorly found in North Atlantic regions. Mass of body of little is 68 to 160 g, and adult gull is 1.8 kilograms. The length of the body is 25 to 30 centimeters for small gull adults and 64 to 79 centimeters for great black gull adults. In the list of common birds, eagle is one which belongs to a family of Accipitridæ. Almost 60 species of eagles are from Africa and Eurasia. Even 14 species are found from Central, South America, North America, and Australia. Eagles are known as significant powerful birds of prey with massive head and beak. Most eagles are larger than vultures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel, My Kitty School, for more awesome videos.